Imagine a hunting rifle that combines Italian craftsmanship with cutting-edge innovation. Meet the Beretta BRX-1. This isn't just another firearm, it's a bold rival to Germany's legendary Blazer R8. At the heart of the BRX-1 is a straight-pull bolt system, designed for lightning-fast reloading without breaking your aim. Its rotating bolt head features 8 locking lugs for rock-solid chamber security, while the Magnum version doubles down with 2 rows of lugs to handle the most powerful cartridges. But here's where it really stands out, its modular design. With a quick swap, you can change calibers as easily as changing socks, giving one rifle the versatility of many. The flush-fitting 5+1 magazine stays sleek and out of sight, while the aluminum chassis hidden inside a polymer stock delivers both durability and lightweight handling. Shooters also get precision control with an adjustable trigger, ranging from a light pull for sport to a safer, heavier pull for hunting. And with guaranteed accuracy of 3 centimeters at 100 meters, Beretta doesn't just make promises, it delivers. The BRX-1 isn't just a rifle, it's proof that tradition and innovation can fire together in perfect harmony. Do you want me to make it slightly more dramatic? Imagine a revolver that blends classic design with modern firepower. The Smith & Wesson 940 is back, and this time it's chambered in 9mm. Crafted entirely from stainless steel, it carries a solid feel at 665 grams, substantial, yet still easy to handle. Its compact 5.5 cm barrel makes it an ideal choice for concealed carry, balancing power with discretion. Grip matters, and the VZ grips lock firmly into your hand, giving you total control. The tritium front sight glows without batteries, ensuring you never lose aim, even in low light. With its fully enclosed hammer, you won't have to worry about snags on clothing, making it smooth to draw anytime. Reloading becomes seamless with moon clips. 5 spent cases eject together, and fresh rounds drop in instantly. Barrel flutes reduce weight and improve cooling, letting you shoot longer without compromise. The 940 isn't just a revolver, it's a revival of a legend, designed for today's world. A timeless classic, reborn with precision and power.
The GM6 Lynx is a powerful long-range rifle made in Hungary by Sero International. It's designed to fire the heavy 50 BMG caliber, making it perfect for disabling armored vehicles, equipment, and distant targets with ease. What sets the Lynx apart is its bullpup design, where the magazine and firing parts are located behind the trigger. This smart layout makes the rifle shorter and easier to carry, without sacrificing power or range. The GM6 Lynx is semi-automatic and can shoot various 50 BMG rounds, including armor-piercing, incendiary, and tracer bullets. It can hit targets up to 2,000 meters away and delivers an impressive muzzle energy of up to 14,500 joules. Because it combines high firepower, long-range accuracy, and a compact frame, the Lynx has been adopted by military and law enforcement teams around the world. It's a powerful and reliable rifle built for serious missions that need both punch and precision, all in a portable, easy-to-use package.
Imagine a shelter that's tough enough for the battlefield, yet practical enough for disaster relief. That's exactly what the Military Shelter System trailer delivers. Built from durable materials, this trailer is designed to stand firm against extreme weather. Whether it's freezing cold or blazing hot, it keeps the inside comfortable, warm when temperatures drop and cool when the heat rises. But strength isn't its only advantage. These shelters are engineered for easy transport and setup. With built-in tie-downs and tow shackles, they can be mounted on different vehicles and moved wherever they're needed. That kind of flexibility makes them a powerful tool for both military missions and civilian emergencies. What's more, their solid build gives them serious durability. Some might notice their weight, but that heaviness is proof of how long they're built to last. In short, the Military Shelter System trailer is more than just a shelter, it's a mobile fortress. Wherever conditions are toughest, it delivers safety, stability, and adaptability when they matter most. Meet the Medved Pro, the off-roader that laughs at impossible terrain. Its secret weapon? Ultra-low pressure tires that inflate in seconds, giving you grip and freedom whether it's snow, sand, or mud. Under the hood, you get a 29 horsepower engine paired with a smooth 5-speed transmission. Combine that with all-wheel drive, and suddenly deep snow or loose ground is no longer a challenge, it's an adventure. Need to haul heavy gear? No problem. With a payload capacity of 650 kilograms, the Medved Pro carries everything you need without slowing down. And when the sun sets, its built-in 360 degrees LED lighting turns night into day, keeping every path clear and visible. This isn't just another off-road machine. It's a tool built for explorers, rescuers, and anyone who refuses to be limited by the road. The Medved Pro doesn't just take you places, it takes you where others can't. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just drive, it transforms. The Buran APC is more than a machine. It's a shapeshifter built for the future of mobility. Created by a company with deep roots in aviation, the Buran brings aerospace-level innovation to the road. It can speed up to 100 kilometers per hour, but raw power isn't its only trick. Its true magic lies in modular design. Need an ambulance? In minutes, it converts to carry 4 stretchers. Need heavy transport? Switch it into a truck hauling up to 10 tons. One vehicle, endless possibilities. And while it's versatile, it never compromises on safety. Reports suggest the Buran can shield its crew and passengers from a 6 kilograms explosive launched from 80 meters away, protection that makes it as tough as it is adaptable. This isn't just another armored carrier. It's proof that future-ready vehicles aren't about doing one job, they're about doing them all. The Buran isn't built for the road ahead. It is the road ahead. Imagine a boat that doesn't just float, it drives. Meet the Drozd, a groundbreaking amphibious vehicle that redefines transport. With wheels on water and speed on land, this machine is built for adventure. At its core lies cutting-edge engineering. Patented axles and advanced suspension let it transform in seconds from road mode to water mode. Its carbon fiber and Kevlar hull keeps it tough, light, and unstoppable, even in heavily silted areas where ordinary boats would fail. The numbers speak for themselves. On land, the Drozd hits 100 kilometers per hour. On water, it cruises at 70 kilometers per hour. And when waves rise to 1.25 meters, it still pushes forward without losing pace. Powering this beast is a 260 horsepower diesel engine paired with all-wheel drive, giving it unmatched versatility across terrains. Add 36 centimeters of ground clearance and rugged treaded tires, and the Drozd doesn't just travel, it conquers. This isn't just transport, it's freedom on both land and water. The question is, where will it take you? Klassen Garden. Imagine a vehicle that can transform into a command center, first aid station, even a fortress on wheels. That's the Klassen Garden, one of the most advanced armored vehicles ever built. In Brazil's capital, where crime rates run high, local police turn to 6 of these machines for backup. Why? Because the Garda isn't just transport, it's a mobile stronghold. With space for 22 people plus crew, it becomes a moving base of operations in any crisis. Built on a rugged man-truck chassis, this beast can climb slopes of up to 60 degrees and move through water-tapping conditions without slowing down. Its armor, tested and proven, it can withstand direct fire on NATO 7.651mm rounds just for use. That's serious protection. The Klassen Garden isn't just a vehicle, it's a game changer for modern law enforcement. You'll find people sitting to fight crimes to protect their people. In a world full of threats, this Imagine a giant military aircraft landing smoothly on pure ice. Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what the LC-130 does. This beast is a modified version of the legendary C-130 Hercules, but with one futuristic twist. Massive skis that let it glide across snow and frozen landscapes. Built for the harshest missions, the LC-130 is the U.S. Air Force's ultimate workhorse in the Arctic and Antarctic. Its job? Delivering vital cargo, fuel, and scientists to remote research stations where no ordinary plane can reach. When conditions are extreme, it even uses rocket-assisted takeoffs to blast itself off icy runways, a move that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. What makes it truly remarkable is its versatility. Sure, it can land on snow and ice, but it's just as comfortable on a normal runway. In fact, in March 2025, it made history by touching down on freshwater ice for the first time in decades, proving its unmatched reliability. The LC-130 isn't just a plane. It's a lifeline for science, exploration, and survival in the most unforgiving corners of our planet. Imagine a beast of a machine that clears dense vegetation like it's nothing. Meet the Trom-20. This powerhouse packs 200 horsepower, low-pressure tires, and an automatic inflation system, built to handle the toughest landscapes. Its cutting discs, crafted with proprietary technology, slice through overgrowth with precision. Even in untouched, rugged terrain, the Trom-20 doesn't slow down. It can cover up to 3 hectares in just 10 hours. But here's where it gets truly wild. This isn't just a land machine. Fully loaded, it can cruise through water at 5 kilometers per hour, making it unstoppable across rivers, marshes, or flooded zones. No matter the obstacle, rocky ground, deep brush, or water crossings, the Trom-20 powers through without breaking a sweat. At around $33,300, it's not just a tool, it's an innovation that redefines what heavy-duty vegetation control can be. The Trom-20 isn't just built to cut, it's built to conquer. Tourist ATV. Built to conquer the wild. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just take you off-road, it takes you anywhere. The Tourist ATV is engineered for true adventure, built to power through swamps, glide over snow, and even cross shallow rivers without hesitation. This beast comes with all-wheel drive and a roomy cabin that can seat up to 11 passengers, making it perfect for expeditions with friends or family. Need to carry heavy gear? No problem. It can haul up to 1.1 tons on solid ground, giving you the freedom to pack everything you need for the journey ahead. Under the hood, you get 2 powerful options: a 220 horsepower Toyota engine for maximum punch, or a 120 horsepower Cummins engine for reliable efficiency. And whether you prefer full control with a manual transmission or the ease of an automatic, the Tourist ATV adapts to your style. Starting at $65,625, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a gateway to untamed exploration. For those who crave freedom beyond the road, the Tourist ATV redefines what adventure truly means. The BVS-10 ATV is a strong all-terrain armored vehicle. It runs on tracks, is jointed in the middle for smooth movement, and is fully amphibious. Also called the Bandvan 410 or BV410, it was first made for the British Royal Marines. Today, it's produced in Sweden by BAE Systems Land Systems Hägglunds. The BVS-10 is faster, stronger, and can carry heavier loads than the older BV206S. It is powered by a Cummins 5.9-liter diesel engine, allowing it to reach speeds of over 80 km per hour on flat Class A roads. This vehicle is built to perform in extreme weather conditions, operating between -46 degrees Celsius to +49 degrees Celsius. Recently, Germany approved an order for 227 more BVS-10 units. The total cost of this deal is €919 million, which is equal to around $1 billion.
The JFD Shadow Nav is a smart, easy-to-use head-up display HUD that attaches to a diver's mask. It shows important real-time information like compass direction, depth, and dive time, even in dark, murky waters where visibility is low or zero. This makes it especially valuable for military and professional divers working in tough underwater conditions. Compact and lightweight, the Shadow Nav runs on a rechargeable battery and can be operated with just one hand. Its bright, clear display is easy to read, even in direct sunlight or deep underwater. By putting key information right in front of the diver's eyes, it eliminates the need to check other gear or lose focus. This not only improves safety, but also makes navigation faster and more accurate. Whether you're on a critical underwater mission or exploring in low-visibility areas, the JFD Shadow Nav helps you stay aware, stay safe, and stay on course. It's a reliable tool that brings confidence and clarity to every dive.